In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete apps downloaded from Microsoft Store. If your PC is feeling cluttered or you just don't use certain apps anymore, this quick process will help you clean things up and reclaim storage space without any hassle. Start by opening the Start menu, then click the Settings icon, which looks like a small gear. That takes you into the central place where you control how Windows behaves. We'll stay inside Settings the entire time, so there's no need to jump between different windows or tools. Once Settings is open, go to the Apps section. This area lists everything installed on your device and lets you manage each item. Next, select Installed Apps. Depending on your Windows version, you might see slightly different wording on this page, but you're looking for the full list of apps that are currently installed. Now find the app you want to remove. You can scroll through the list, or, to save time, use the search box at the top to type the app's name. As you look, take a quick glance at the app's publisher and icon to make sure you're selecting the right one, especially if there are similar names. This step helps you avoid uninstalling the wrong program by accident. When you've located the app, look to the right of its name and click the 3 horizontal dots. That opens a small menu with actions you can take on that app. Choose Uninstall. Windows will ask you to confirm, and in some cases you may see 1 or 2 additional prompts from the app itself. Just continue by confirming until the process begins. If the app is currently open, close it first so the uninstall can complete smoothly. You might notice that some apps have the uninstall option grayed out. That typically means the app is built into Windows or managed by your organization, and it can't be removed through this menu. For all standard Microsoft Store apps, however, the uninstall button will be available. After you confirm, Windows removes the app and any associated components it installed from the store. Your personal files and documents aren't touched, so you won't lose photos, projects, or downloads that aren't part of the app itself. If you're prompted to restart, go ahead and do that to finalize the removal. To double-check, return to the installed apps list and search for the app name. If it's gone, you're all set. If you ever change your mind, you can reinstall the app anytime from the Microsoft Store. That's it. Clean, simple, and effective. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your tidier PC.